Today, we're breaking down the top 3 trending tokens on the market right now: Bitcoin, Clearpool, and Ethereum, what they're about, why they're trending, and where they could be heading next. Let's start with Bitcoin, ticker BTC. The king of crypto is back in full spotlight, trading around $107,938 with a total market cap over $2.1 trillion. Bitcoin has gained steady momentum over the past week, up nearly 0.7% in the last 24 hours, but more importantly, it's holding above the key $100,000 psychological mark. This renewed confidence follows stronger institutional inflows, growing ETF demand, and rising liquidity as global markets recover. Over the last 6 to 12 months, Bitcoin has gone from the mid $40,000 range to breaking into six figures, a move driven by ETF approvals, halving hype, and major adoption from traditional finance players. Right now, charts are showing clear consolidation just above the $105,000 support zone, with resistance forming near $110,000. If Bitcoin breaks above that, the next leg could easily push toward $120,000. But if support fails, a short-term correction toward $98,000 is possible. Overall, momentum remains bullish, and Bitcoin continues to dominate as a low-risk, high-stability anchor in an otherwise volatile market. Next up is Clearpool, ticker CPool, and this one's been turning heads. CPool is trading around 31 cents, up nearly 38% in the last 24 hours. And that's no coincidence. Clearpool is a decentralized liquidity marketplace that lets institutions borrow uncollateralized liquidity directly from DeFi lenders. It's built on Ethereum, with new integrations recently announced on Base and Polygon, which have driven massive user inflows. CPool has had a strong 2024 so far, moving from the $0.03 range to well above $0.11 today. The project's surge is fueled by increased institutional DeFi interest, and Clearpool's upcoming prime pools launch a system designed to bring traditional credit markets fully on-chain. Technicals show strong breakout structure, support is sitting near 10 cents, and resistance around 15 cents. If it clears that resistance with volume, we could see a continued climb toward 20 cents. With strong fundamentals and DeFi momentum behind it, Clearpool is shaping up as a medium-risk, high-upside play in the current market. Finally, let's talk about Ethereum, ticker ETH. ETH is holding around $3,797, maintaining stability even as altcoins rotate in and out of focus. Ethereum remains the backbone of decentralized finance and NFTs, but what's driving its current trend is the growing buzz around Ethereum restaking and Layer 2 expansion. With the EigenLayer ecosystem and major Layer 2s like Arbitrum, Base, and Blast scaling rapidly, ETH demand for staking and liquidity provisioning continues to grow. Over the past year, Ethereum has recovered strongly from lows under $1,500, nearly tripling as network activity rebounds. Technical indicators show support near $3,700, resistance around $4,000, and rising on-chain transaction volumes, all signs of renewed bullish sentiment. If Ethereum breaks above the $4,000 mark with momentum, we could see a push toward $4,200 to $4,300 in the near term. So to sum it up, Bitcoin is leading as the safe, stable market driver with bullish institutional backing. Clearpool is the surprise mover, fueled by DeFi adoption and institutional borrowing hype. And Ethereum continues to build long-term strength through innovation in staking and Layer 2 scaling. Each one is trending for different reasons: Bitcoin for dominance, Clearpool for innovation, and Ethereum for infrastructure. But together, they're defining the narrative for where this next crypto cycle could be heading. That's all for now. Follow to stay updated as we track these 3 tokens and see which one leads the next major market move.